Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my new bike. New Canyon Stoic 2. So let's open it up. Take this special tool. This is a bike tool, as you see. Welcome to a community. The saddle is here. It looks very nice. I will put it aside. I prepare for this dropper post. This is the dropper. RFT 150 travel. What we have here? Small box by Canyon, very nice design. Let me show you. Here what we have. This nobody uses it. It's ugly. We have here torque wrench and some bits. We have this more stupid things and most important rear axle. 148 by 12. This washer is for here. Quick start guide. And of course some zip ties. You always need zip ties. This is the front wheel. 203mm rotor in the front. We have some caps here. I will throw it away. The cardboard. Magic Mary in the front. 29er by 2.4. Very nice, it looks good. And here is the rear wheel. Oh, this time is smaller rotor. 180. This is the cassette. 10 speed by Shimano Diore. 11 to 42. The back tire is again by Schwalbe. Hans dump is 29er. Yeah, by 2.35. Let's see the best part. So here it is. The fork. The cockpit is here. Let's open it up. Nice grips. So be careful to not press the brakes while the wheels with the rotors are not mounted. But first you have to unscrew this cap. It's 4mm. The triaxle. You have to push this first and then take it out. Also remove from the brake calipers this. Let's put some alcohol on the rack. Clean the glue from the tape of the triaxle. Make it dry. And most importantly, you should put just a little bit grease. Any grease is better than nothing. So just a little bit like that. So now let's put the rear wheel. So my favorite tool again. Be careful. For the lever hanger you need a smaller bit. You need here 3mm. Put the hanger, this one from this side. So first thing first, as we did on the front axle, we should put little bit grease. For the pedals, I will use this copy of the Chesters with changeable pins. I ride this on my XC. Here is the whole bike without the saddle, of course, because I will install a dropper post. I will show you how. This is the dropper. In the packets also we have a command and some cables. So guys, first I'm gonna install the command. So I will unscrew this one here. Very difficult. It goes from here, from this tube. You take it out and again put it inside, but this time into the C tube. You have nothing here. Take the cable cutters and make the cut. The cable should go from here into the dropper post. You have to attach this with the screw, this little thing. Let me show you. So I'm gonna make few changes here. I prefer the brakes to be a little bit down. For the last, let's pump these tires up.